What's up, fellow travelers? My name is Brandon. Welcome to my channel where I present travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis. In the previous episode, I spent my last day of my 36-hour road trip to Quebec City visiting the defense and military aspects of the city. All in all, I had an absolute amazing time in old Quebec City. If you haven't had a chance to check out that video, I'll link it down below in the description. Today, I'm going whitewater rafting on La Rivière Rouge in Outaouais, Quebec, Canada. It is one of the best places to go in North America for whitewater rafting with category 3 and 4 rapids. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little bit stressed and anxious, but at the same time, I am super stoked for this. Odds are today, I'm going to be swimming with the fishes. So with that, let's hit the road. We have about an hour drive from downtown Ottawa and Gatineau. Alright, we just got here at Propulsion Rafting. It's early in the morning. I am super tired, but I'm excited to do this. I'm super stoked. So we're going to sign in, get our equipment, and after that they're going to get us through our training, and after we're going to hit the rapids. We're going to be doing 2 times the river, so we'll have a full day of rapids. And just to give you an idea, this day per person costs $125. I'll put a link in the description to the website of Propulsion Rafting with all the details and all the information. So with that, let's hit the rapids.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men trying to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Alright guys, you're probably wondering, Brandon, where are you right now? You just went from rafting in a massive river to in the living room of your apartment. Well, I wish I could have filmed the closing end of rafting video, but to be honest, I was so tired after rafting all day. I am burnt from head to toe and sunburned. It was such an hot day, but all in all, I had an awesome day. This morning, I was convinced I was gonna fall off the raft, and I managed to stay on the raft the entirety of the day, which is surprising even to myself. But I had an awesome day. The staff at Propulsion Rafting are so kind. They're there to follow you the whole day through. They will teach you so many things and also push you to your limits and maybe get some people off the boat. But yeah, if you guys have a chance, if you're in the Outaouais region, I highly recommend you check out Propulsion Rafting on La Rivière Rouge. They have category 3 and 4 rapids, and for the price, you're definitely getting your value. And also they have a camping ground there, so you can go camping, stay there at night, and do the rafting during the day. With that said guys, I had an awesome day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis. I'll see you guys next week for a whole new video. Don't forget, safe travels.